Hello everyone, welcome to Teaching Notes. Today I am here with the concept of Vedic Maths. Before actually getting started with the main module of Vedic Maths, let's get started with the introduction to Vedic Maths. And let us know the person who is behind the concept of Vedic Maths. Veda is a Sanskrit word which means knowledge. Vedic mathematics is a valuable treasure by Jagadguru Sankaracharya Swami Bharati Krishna Tirtha. He is known as the father of Vedic maths. And he is the person who formulated the concept of Vedic maths. He was a seer of great knowledge. He always stood first in all the subjects throughout his educational career. He was awarded a title Saraswati by Sanskrit Association of Madras for his brilliance in Sanskrit. He held post-graduation degree in science, philosophy, mathematics as well as languages. What is Vedic maths? Vedic mathematics is a collection of techniques or sutras to solve mathematical arithmetic in easy and a faster way. It consists of 16 sutras and 13 subsutras which can be used for problems involved in arithmetic, algebra, geometry, calculus, etc. Swamiji had written in all 16 volumes on Vedic maths, but at present only one volume is available. Later on, due to his health conditions, he couldn't rewrite all the previous volumes. According to Swamiji, these sutras can be applied to each and every branch of mathematics, whether pure or applied. His work on Vedic maths is really a precious gift to the world of mathematics. Why do we need to practice Vedic maths regularly? Let us know. Many children have a maths phobia, right? So, by practicing Vedic maths regularly, it eradicates the fear of maths completely. It also develops the clarity of mind and intuition. In this way, the holistic development of human brain automatically takes place. Hope you all heard about the word holistic development recently in NPE 2020. Our Honorable Prime Minister Sir Modi ji said to promote the holistic approach in children. I am going to make a video on NPE 2020 which is very much essential for parents as well as teachers. Coming back to the point, by practicing Vedic maths regularly, much improved academic performance in school and instant results can be seen. Increases your speed and accuracy. It becomes a mental calculator yourself. Improves memory and boosts self-confidence. Self-confidence is very much needed to each and every individual. It is used for fast calculations and can be used in exams and almost all the competitive exams which has maths as a subject. In almost all the competitive exams, we have arithmetic as a part. In competitive exams, each and every second is valuable to the student, right? So by practicing Vedic maths regularly, you can easily solve the problems in fraction of seconds. Hope you all came to understand the concept of Vedic maths. As you all know, practice makes man perfect. A regular practice on Vedic maths is must. So practice Vedic maths regularly. Please help to spread the knowledge of Vedic maths, which is very much essential to our younger generation. This is about the introduction to Vedic maths. In our next video, we'll start with the module 1. Please subscribe the channel so that you will be intimated about our next videos. And do not forget to like and share the video. Thank you.